Ya Allah. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all the blessings I have in my life. Thank you for everything you have given me, for protecting me, for guiding me and keeping me alive. Thank you for waking me up every single day in peace. I understand this is a privilege only some have. Thank you for allowing there to be food and water ready at my disposal whenever I need it. Thank you for my warm home, my warm family around me, and the warm clothes. Thank you for my health. Thank you for my youth. Thank you for allowing me to breathe